Angĩkorwo he mũndũ ũkoretwo akĩruta ũrathi no kahinga na andũ by now nĩ makoretwo makĩmwĩtĩkia whatever he says right now, ũndũ ũcio nĩ ũkoragwo ũkĩoererwo na ũritũ mũnene mũno because we saw him prophesy things kuma hĩndĩ ya Rigathi Gachagua, akiuga Rigathi Gachagua nĩ akarutwo as deputy president. He has been saying a lot of things na I am talking about Reverend Maina wa OTC. Reverend Maina wa OTC no arathi na mbere na kuruta ũrathi especially mwena wa siasa na recently just after Rigathi Gachagua gukorwo akiuga ati in case githurano gitigathi legally kana uria gibati gukorwo gigithi in 2027 then 207 would look like a Christmas party. Uhoro uria ukoretwo ugikomithio ni all agencies of government, all people who are in government right now ni makoretwo me against that, but guess what, Reverend Maina wa OTC eyumiritie na agakorwo agikira mukonde uhoro ucio haria augite ati before 2027 niguo gukorwo na uitikangi wa thakame. Why? Because hena andu megukorwo making'ang'anira wathani na wathani for you to get power no nginya thakame itike. Oho ni athite na mbere na kuga ati the people who will be involved in this will be William Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua. Na tukoretwo tukiuga Rigathi Gachagua will be a key player in 2027 general elections. He might or might not be on the ballot, but whether the case ni agakorwo mundu umwe wina uge munene muno githurano-ini gia 2027.
Na nie akwirira haha 2027 na tia 2027 itakinyite na 2027 kansoro ndirakwira ni roho wa Ngai ni ajaragiria na ngaigwa mugambo biu 2027 thakame ni guitika bururi na kiria gigutuma thakame eitike thakame guitika ndondo andu igana eri Ruto na Rigathi wa Gachagua andu acio megutuma thakame eitike.
Now, why did Reverend Maina wa OTC come to the conclusion kana araheirwo urathi ucio wa bareno ekumania na Rigathi Gachagua na William Ruto niki? In the 2022 elections, William Ruto won ni undu wa sympathy iria ageire because he told us that Uhuru Kenyatta used to mistreat him. Na again sympathy mwenene muno. Na he's even on record akiuga ati we ndaka mistreat deputy wake toria ara mistreatwo. Na akihuthira chance ya gukorwo expose Uhuru Kenyatta na njira mwenene muno na agituma tukorwo tukimena William Ruto na njira mwenene muno. And he even used Rigathi Gachagua gukorwo akihithuria maundu ma kumakania megie William Ruto. Na hindi yo gukiyumiria a lot of vurugu, though it didn't come to a point ati ni atwikire bara, but the tension was so high. This time William Ruto ekire deputy wake uria ekagwo ni Uhuru Kenyatta, and deputy wake Rigathi Gachagua is up to no good. Nake eko make sure the ground is hotter than William Ruto made it hot in the last terms of him as deputy president. Now by that way, if they are not careful, magiaga kwimenyerera, what Reverend Maina wa OTC is saying sadly might be true. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this. Reverend Maina wa OTC ni akoretwo akiuga maundu maingi muno megie siasa na ni akoretwo akihuthirwo gukorwo akiheana urathi muingi muno. I don't know what you guys think about this prophecy. Do you think it's gonna happen? Do you think there's something that can be done nigetha uhoro ucio ndugakorwo ukihappen, because no one loves witikangi wa thakame. Gutire mundu ungienda kana ungijivunira nginya gukorwo agiprophesy ati ni gugaitika thakame. Do you think there is something that can be done to undo that or reverse that thing that is prophesied to happen, that is being prophesied to happen? What is your take on that? Do you think Rigathi Gachagua ni afati go tone down? Do you think William Ruto ni afati to do the necessary? it's a tough time, and politics is changing within seconds. Thaa ici maundu siasa maracenjia na seconds. This second it is this, the next second you're talking about another whole thing. It is very funny that thaa ici ona turarĩrĩria ona story ya Mukuru kwa Njenga ĩgĩtrendagi bado andũ maratrendishaga ũhoro wa Tanzania and Uganda, Tundu Lissu and Kizza Besigye. Politics is running very fast. Anyway guys, no comment here utwire maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ.